Welcome to Gear Speed, your go-to YouTube channel for everything related to cars, motorcycles, and the latest in automotive news. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus, a vehicle that's capturing attention for its innovative design, impressive specs, and modern features. If you're a fan of reliable, spacious, and advanced vehicles, this review is for you. The 2025 Toyota Mini Bus brings a new level of comfort and efficiency to the minibus segment. Designed with both passengers and drivers in mind, it combines Toyota's reputation for reliability with cutting-edge features to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone on board. Whether you're using it for family trips, business, or public transportation, this minibus is built to handle it all. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus presents a sleek, modern design that stands out on the road. The body is constructed with lightweight materials, contributing to better fuel efficiency while maintaining durability. The front grille is bold, featuring sleek lines that give the vehicle a contemporary look. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility while adding to the overall aesthetics. Additionally, the bus is equipped with power-adjustable side mirrors and large windows for an open, airy feel inside. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus offers a powerful engine choice that ensures smooth driving, even with a full load of passengers. The engine is optimized for fuel efficiency, offering a competitive miles per gallon rating in its category. The engine's power output provides the necessary torque to navigate both city streets and highways with ease. The transmission is automatic, offering seamless gear shifts and contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the bus comes with advanced suspension systems that absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. The interior of the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus is where the vehicle truly shines. Designed with the comfort of passengers in mind, the cabin offers ample legroom and headspace for up to 15 passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed, with high-quality materials for maximum comfort during long journeys. The bus features a combination of soft-touch materials and durable upholstery, giving it a premium feel while ensuring practicality. One of the standout features of the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus is its technology suite. The vehicle is equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system that includes navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows passengers to enjoy their favorite music, podcasts, and apps during their ride. The system also provides real-time traffic updates, ensuring the driver can navigate the quickest routes. Additionally, the mini bus comes with an advanced air conditioning system that ensures consistent cabin temperature, even on hot days. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus, and Toyota has equipped it with an array of safety features to provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The mini bus includes multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, stability control, and traction control. Additionally, Toyota's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection is standard, along with lane departure alert and automatic high beams. These features work together to reduce the risk of accidents and keep everyone on board safe. In terms of cargo space, the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus offers a generous area for luggage and other belongings. The rear seats can be folded to create even more space, making it easy to transport larger items when needed. The bus also offers several compartments for storing smaller items, ensuring everything has its place. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus is competitively priced within its segment, offering great value for the features, technology, and reliability that it provides. Whether you're looking to transport a large group of people or just need a reliable, spacious vehicle for your business, the Toyota Mini Bus is an excellent choice. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Mini Bus combines style, comfort, technology, and safety into one package. It's a vehicle that can handle the demands of both daily commuting and long-distance travel, all while offering an exceptional driving experience. If you're in the market for a mini bus, this model should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to subscribe to Gear Speed for more reviews, specs, and in-depth analysis of the latest vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.